This video is to review exercise 7-10, creating a detail group. We are going to add hidden lines, add a steel plate using a detail component, add bolts to the plate, create a detail group, and mirror a detail group. And for those of you who are architecture students who have to take AET 250, this is going to be really helpful. I would flag this page in your book because you're going to need it again. Okay, so to start, we're going to activate the beam to column connection, which is this right here. Here's our column, here's our beam. We want to activate the annotate ribbon, and we want to select the detail component tool. We're going to select the load family from the mode panel, and we're looking for the metal fastenings folder. So that's going to be under detail items, it says. And then here's all of our divisions from master format. And we're going to select division 5, which is metals. And we're looking for 050500. So these are where am I? Oh, here we go. And then metal fastenings. Here we go. We got it. And we're going to open the steel shear plate. Okay. So a steel shear plate face. Right here. And we're going to say open. Alright, great. So now this is the face of a steel plate. We're going to hit the space bar to rotate this thing around. And we're going to come over to the left side of the column, and we want to place this so it's on the center of the column. Alright, so about there. Very good. And then I want to activate the annotate ribbon, and we're going to select a repeating detail component, and we're going to select the A325 5/8 inch plan detail on the properties pane. We're going to select edit type, and we're going to set the layout to a fixed number. And these are bolts that we're putting in here, by the way. We're going to say OK. Okay, so in the properties pane, we're going to change the number to 5, and we're going to press apply. And then we're going to place the bolt in the bottom hole. So we're going to place a bolt in the bottom hole, and then we're going to then pick the top hole. Oh, and for some reason it changed from 3 to 5, so I'm going to say apply. Oh, and I got to do that again. Hopped right out of that command. Sometimes that happens, so I'm going to hit undo. Let's do that again. Repeating detail. Okay, 5. 5 and apply. There we go. Oh, does not want to do that. 5 and apply. Oh, boy. It really doesn't want to go 5 for me. Well, let's try it again. It keeps just putting 3 in. Well, that's quite interesting. What about if I try to raise it now and apply? There we go. Do it after the fact. I tricked it. Sometimes you gotta do those things. Alright. So now we're going to window around the steel plate. So this steel plate here. And the bolts to select them. So now I have the plate and the bolts. And I want to select a detail group. So up here, create a group. And I want to call this group plate and bolts. And what this is going to do, it's going to lock all that information together. And I'm going to say OK. So see how now it made it one group. So the bolts and the plate go together. In the browser, I'm going to locate the detail group. So over here in the browser, if I look under groups, I'll see detail group, and then there's plate and 5 bolts in section. I'm going to select the steel plate here, and I want to mirror pick axis, and I want to pick the center of this column. And then it completes the mirror command. Now I'm going to locate the plate and 5 bolt in section in the project browser, so right here. And I'm going to drag and drop them into the locations shown. So I'm going to drag and drop them over here into this location. So it's like right in the column, and click. Oh, I moved them slightly. Okay, that's all right, you can move them up. Alright, so now I have some bolts going through each one of these objects. So this is a wide flange beam, so actually in 3D this is coming towards you. And then these are some bolts through that, and then this plate is bolting through this other wide flange beam that's running. Well, you can see it because you can see it running along its side. Alright, so that would be the end of that exercise. And actually what I just did there was I clicked on this and moved this over a little because I can't see the edge of that column. So there we go. So that's the end of that one. So go ahead and save that.